So go through again how what went on with your. Was it your leg getting into bed or something?
Yeah,
The pain.
the outer thigh used to ache when it was laid down on my left hand side.
Yeah.
So I used to put my sort of right leg over for about 5 minutes to ease it off. But since having the tablets, nothing at all.
Brilliant. How long was it? A few.
About 3 days.
Brilliant.
Plus with my back as well. You know, getting up out of a chair a bit like slightly stiff.
Yeah.
You just straighten up. But now, just even sort of getting out of bed, just stand straight up.
Fantastic.
Just walk without having any aches or anything.
Brilliant. And Eric, your wife took the tablets because she had what going on with her?
A bad shoulder.
And how bad was it?
It was like they told her she needed an operation.
Right.
You know, obviously now she's took these tablets and she's no pain. So she's cancelled the operation.
Wow. How long was she on the tablets for?
About probably just over a week.
Wow, is that all?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah,
That's fantastic.
so that's worked well, yeah.
Brilliant. Cheers to that, guys.
Yeah, so I've got a brownie point now.
Yeah, happy for CalClear.
Yeah, yeah.
Discover the magic of CalClear, your health's rescuer. CalClear, with over 69 minerals, ensures the alkalinity of your cells, crucial for effective recovery, repair, and maintaining a balanced weight. It provides essential calcium to maintain bone integrity and joint health. Say goodbye to inflammation and negative food cravings. Unleash your optimal health with CalClear. Achieve balance and alignment on our online store at egglixir.com.